Welcome to Sri Balaji Vidyaprith University and Indira Gandhi Institute of Dental Science seminar class. Hope everyone is safe in this COVID situation. In this presentation, we are going to discuss the financial stress for dentists during COVID-19. Myself, K. Bhargavi, CRRI of IGIDS. Content: Introduction. What is COVID-19? Symptoms of COVID-19. How does COVID-19 spread? Cases in India, lockdown in India, financial stress for dentists during lockdown, modification required for a dental clinic setup and financial stress due to modifications. Financial stress is the most common thing for dentists which we are facing in day-to-day life. Why are we specially talking about this during this time? On seeing this nifty graph, we can infer the situation of Indian economy for the past 6 months. There was a sudden fall in Indian economy due to this COVID situation. The financial stress for dentists during COVID because of two things. First one, we have to follow many protocols to handle the patient during COVID situation. And the second thing is recession. Patients were not able to afford for the treatment due to recession. What is COVID-19 and why are we giving special attention to it, and what are all the steps taken by our government to prevent it? What are the protocols and how they are stressing the dentist financially? COVID-19. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. CO stands for corona, VI for virus and D for disease. It belongs to a SARS virus family. Symptoms: common symptoms like fever, tiredness, cough, sore throat and headache. In severe stages, it may cause pneumonia, breathing difficulties. How does COVID-19 spread? There are 3 stages: pre-symptomatic stages, symptomatic stages and asymptomatic stages. In pre-symptomatic stages, the incubation period for COVID-19 is 5 to 6 days. However, it can be up to 14 days. Incubation period is a time between the exposure of the virus and the symptoms onset. Transmission for a pre-symptomatic cases can occur before the symptoms onset. In symptomatic stages, the virus is transmitted through direct contact with respiratory droplet of an infected patient. Individuals can also be infected from touching the surface contaminated with the virus and touching their faces like eyes, nose and mouth. Asymptomatic transmissions. An asymptomatic laboratory confirmed cases is a person infected with COVID-19 who does not develop any symptoms. Asymptomatic transmission refers to transmission of the virus from a person who does not develop any symptoms. These are few reported laboratory confirmed cases who are truly asymptomatic, and to date there has been no documented asymptomatic transmission. Currently, there is no proof that asymptomatic patients cannot transfer the disease. In few countries have reported asymptomatic transmissions through contact tracing. Due to its severity and high transmissions, we are giving a special attention to this disease and taking these kind of preventive measures. What are all the steps taken by our government to prevent it? The first cases of COVID in India was reported on Jan 30, 2020 in Kerala. On July 7, 2020, the total number of confirmed cases in India was 7,19,665. Recovered cases is 4,39,947. Death 20,160. At this time, India has the largest confirmed cases in Asia and third highest in the world. This map shows the confirmed cases in India on July 7, 2020. As displayed in the map, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Himachal Pradesh has highest number of corona cases. To prevent the coronavirus spread, on 22nd March, India observed 14 hours voluntary public curfew. It was followed by a mandatory lockdown in COVID hotspots. After that, on 24th March, our PM ordered national-wide lockdown for 21 days, which is from 25th March to 14th April. In this first phase of lockdown, all the factories and services were suspended. On 14th April, PM extended national-wide lockdown till May 3rd with some conditional relaxations. On 16th April, lockdown areas are classified as red, orange and green zone. Red zone indicated presence of high positive cases, orange zone indicates presence of less positive cases and green indicates absence of positive cases. On 1st May, lockdown was extended for 2 more weeks beyond 4 May with some additional relaxations. In this lockdown, the country was split up into 3 zones: red, orange and green zone. Red zone with 130 districts, orange with 284 districts and green zone with 319 districts. This is the map of Tamil Nadu. As shown in the image, zones were divided. If the district has 15 or more cases, or if the doubling time is 4 days, it will be classified as red zone. If the district has less than 15 cases, it will be classified as orange zone. If the district has 0 cases for a stretch or 21 days, it will be classified as a green zone. The dental clinic remained closed in red and contaminated zone, and in orange and green zone, dental clinic were allowed to operate for emergency and urgent treatment purpose. On 17 May, the National Disaster Management Authority and the Ministry of Home Affairs extended the lockdown for a period of 2 weeks beyond 18 May with additional relaxations. Unlock starts on 1st June and Unlock 1.0 is between 1 to 30 June and Unlock 2.0 is between 1 to 31st July. During lockdown, what are the financial stress the dentists face? Due to complete shutdown in the lockdown, dentists were not able to treat the patients, which in turn hit their income. Even though they were not getting any income, they have to pay bills like clinic rent, electric bills, etc. And this is the budget of the dentist during lockdown. There was no source of income and the expenses were rocket high. After the lockdown, and what are the modifications dentists have to do and how did it impact their finance? There are 2 phases, preparatory and implementation phases. In the preparatory phases, doctor and healthcare workers prophylaxis against the COVID-19. The first thing they have to do before resuming work is to get themselves tested for COVID and ask the healthcare workers to take up COVID test. Even though there are no charges for COVID test, there are some expenses like transport. Since there is no source for income, even little expenses like transport will stress the dentist financially. Dental clinic setup. Before opening the clinic, we have to make some changes in the clinic like installing ventilation and air management. First thing is air circulation with natural air. Though a frequent opening of windows and using an independent exhaust blower. In this point, in the financial expenses for dentists is purchasing of exhaust blower. In some of the dental clinic, there will not be any exhaust blower, so purchasing and installing it will be included in the expenses. The second thing is to avoid using the ceiling fan. Instead of that, use table fan. Place the table fan behind the operator and let the air flow towards the patient. A strong exhaust fan to be located to create a unidirectional flow of air away from the patient. In this point, expenses for dentist is purchasing of a table fan. If you are using a window air conditioner system or a split AC, it should be serviced and filters should be cleaned frequently. In this point, financial expenses cost for AC servers. Uses of indoor portable air cleaner systems. Purchasing of air cleaning system is also causes the financial stress for dentist. Clinical setup. There must be a changing room for wearing PPE. We should have sufficient and dedicated space for storage of additional items like PPE, sterilizations and disinfections. Minor changes in the interior of the clinic will also affect the financial status of the dentist. Now coming to the washrooms. Normal taps are replaced by sensor taps or taps with elbow handles, and cloth towels are replaced by paper towels. Replacing the normal tap with sensor or elbow handled tap will increase the expenses of the dentist, like purchasing the sensor or elbow taps, paper towels and renovating charges. In equipment and instrumentations, we are using high volume extraoral sections, fumigations, chemicals required for disinfections and appropriate PPE, maintaining a supply of all consumable related to PPE, sterilizations and disinfections. Usually we only use surgical mask for some procedures, but now due to COVID we are in a situation that we have to use PPE for every procedures. Since we are using PPE for all the procedures, the expenses is stressing the dentist financially. Likewise, cost of high volume extraoral sections, fumigation procedures, chemicals for disinfections and sterilizations are resulting in financial stress for dentist. Environment and surface disinfections. The floor we are using a two-step cleaning procedure in which detergent and freshly prepared 1% sodium hypochlorite is used. The contacting time of the solution with the surface is 10 minutes and frequency of washing is 2 hours. And for the surface, freshly prepared 1% sodium hypochlorite is used and the contacting time is 10 minutes. Frequency of using this disinfectant for surface is before starting and after finishing the daily work and after every procedure. Electronic equipment should be wiped with alcohol based rep or sprit. The cost for detergents, hypochlorite and alcohol based reps are stressing the dentist financially. Phase 2, implementary phase. In this phase, what we have to do when a patient comes for treatment? First, we have to check the temperature of every patient before entering into the clinic. Ask the patient to use hand sanitizer in the entrance and ask them to rinse the mouth with mouthwash before clinical examination. For these procedures, we have to buy a forehead thermometer gun, hand sanitizer and mouthwash for the patient. Usually we use sanitizer for ourselves, but now we are keeping a separate hand sanitizer for the patient at the entrance. This will increase the financial stress of dentist. Protocol for patient handling in clinical areas. First thing, while examining a patient, wear a surgical mask and a protective eyewear or a face shield and gloves. Wear N95 mask, protective eyewear or face shields and gloves along with coverall for high risk and very high risk procedures. While examining the patients with moderate risk, the treating doctor will require all PPE as high aspects that the covers can be substitute with the surgical gowns. Usually we use surgical mask, but the cost of surgical mask during COVID situations got increased and we are using face shield and N95 mask in most of the procedures. The increased cost of surgical mask and the protective equipment stress the dentist financially. Patient's discharge protocol. Ask the patient to perform a hand hygiene before leaving the clinic. Here the expenses cost of hand wash. Financial stress for dentists during COVID is increased additional protocols and increased rate of materials due to COVID, plus due to economic recession, the treatment were not afforded by the patients, which means increased income. These both are end up in financial stress for dentist. Thank you. Thank you to all the healthcare workers on the front line of the pandemic disease.